Namaste friends. I am Ritesh and today our topic is Supta Kapotasana, that is Reclining Pigeon Pose, or it's also known as Dead Pigeon Pose. Friends, it's a great relaxing pose and it's a great stretch to your hip flexors and especially your inner groins. It releases tension from your lower body completely and it comes into a beginner level supine hip opener. Friends, it's a very relaxing because your spine is supported, and the next video that we will talk about is Kapotasana in the full form. So before we get into the pose, if you have any sacroiliac injury or some knee injury, just avoid it. Just take care, because sometimes you never know. So listen to your body. Any asana practice you're doing, just be careful with your knees, with your hip. Just take care. So before we get into the pose, you need to prepare. Just do a Pavan Muktasana, that is knees to the chest, or Supta Konasana, that is reclining, not butterfly pose. Okay, so reclining butterfly pose would be great, or it's also known as a cobbler's pose. Malasana, that is something that is opening your groin. So we have done a Malasana also. Check the video on Malasana, it's great. Let's lie down on the back because it's Supta. Supta means reclining. So I lie down on the back. So when you lie down on the back, yes, give some time in Shavasana. So give at least 15 to 30 seconds. Observe your breath. And remember to do the knees to the chest pose before you get into it. Now friends, gently flex the right knee, flex the left knee, or bend the right knee, bend the left knee. Now, I cross my left leg on the right. Now, it indicates a position of 4 also. Okay? Now, I take the right knee towards the chest. Put the left arms inside, in between. Okay? And I hold it in this position. My neck is long. It is not like this, okay? No. We need this. So lengthen. We don't need like that. Okay? Relax. Don't do it something like this. I don't want, right? Because we are the shoulders are getting rounded, that we don't need. Okay? So relax, relax, relax. Okay? Just hold it. And breathe. Remember the sutra. Sthiram Sukham Asana. An asana that is stable, that is steady, and that provides you happiness. And friends, this is the pose that gives you happiness. You can feel a nice stretch here, the gluteals and a little bit of sides. Okay? It's a wonderful pose. And breathe. And don't forget to smile when you do your asanas. You don't have to be very serious. Check the neck and shoulders, they are relaxed. And breathe. Don't use too much of strength here. Just do it lovingly. With love, everything changes. Okay? The asanas would change with love and people would change with love. Relations change with love. So first, try to love yourself by doing it very slowly and gently. And release. That's it. Very simple. Now change it to the other side. I would like to balance, so just on the left side, hold it. Now this pose will prepare you to get into Kapotasana. This posture is known as Reclining Pigeon Pose, and the next we will be doing is Pigeon Pose. Just feel that nice stretch. In fact, this is a preparation pose to get into a pigeon pose. That is Kapotasana. Wow, that's a wonderful stretch, friends. My shoulders are relaxed. I check that my neck is relaxed. So always need to just be aware that am I unknowingly stressing my shoulders or I'm tightening my neck? Just be careful, okay? So just give that nice, wonderful stretch. Release it. Relax. Okay, friends, so that in simple terms is known as your reclining pigeon pose or dead pigeon pose. Now friends, it is great for people especially with back pain. It helps in sciatica. It improves digestion while improving circulation in the hip region. So lower back, as I told you, it is great. So just work on it slowly and steadily to get in all the different hip flexor poses. Thank you for watching. In case you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe. And if you have any suggestions or comments with this pose, do let me know. Friends, it's a very relaxing pose. And you can keep the same position on a chair. So you can keep the legs on a chair and do it very relaxedly. You can hold it for minutes and minutes. It would be a very relaxing pose. Okay? Namaste.